in the trade, and best of all, they're so enthusiastic to get that job, and they're just so willing to learn.
The teachers in the SAMI program know our company. They visit our company, they know what we need, they know what we want, they talk with our supervisors. They also have the ability to train using machines similar to what we have in our facility. When an entry-level machinist comes in, they've already have a knowledge base. It also shortens up our time and cost of training.
It's a great overall background. Not only are they skilled in the machining trades, they also leave the program, I would say, work ready. Not only do they have the hard skills, but they also have the soft skills, which as an employer, that's also very important.
The manufacturing environment in the United States, it is increasing, very much so in New England with the defense industry. There is a skills gap issue. It's hard to find individuals with any experience, let alone the education that they need to get into a situation like this. We need to keep a program such as SAMI ongoing. It's very critical. This has saved companies like Gill Tool Engineering time and money with a better result.
As an employer, it's been such a great success story. I really hope that the program continues. It's essential to have this program in the state of Rhode Island, trying to keep Rhode Island manufacturing alive in the state, and it's programs like this that make all the difference.